Good morning, teacher. I'm Jose Carlos Frausto Jimenez, and I'm going to talk about Lufibras, which was a little project I made in the first quadrimester for Formación Sociocultural. And well, this is my speaking project for the second period, so I hope you like it. Let's keep going. Now, what is Lufibras? The idea came out when I watched a Netflix documentary about the effects of plastics on the sea wildlife and ecosystems. So this took me to do a little research, and I found that microplastics or plastics have a lot of severe effects on the sea wildlife, and not only that, they have also a lot of toxicological impacts on on us like humans, because it seems that microplastics are absorbed by all these wildlife and eventually the seafood that we consume as humans. So this is taking us to an inevitable future where we are going to pass we're going to have a lot of diseases. So our project consists in ecological fibers of common use, like the ones we use to wash the dishes, to clean our bodies, to take baths, or just to clean the kitchen. Well, these fibers are product from fruit, and it's like a pumpkin of a plant known as Lufa. That's why the name is called Lufibras. That in English would be something like Lufibers. So, well, these fibers, even though they are natural, they are sustainable, they have a, we can say they have a easy process to adapt them for the common use. And yeah, this is basically the project, so we are gonna keep going. Now, why are these fibers better? They have sustainable production and consumption, they are healthy, they help to keep the water clean, and also the production is sustainable because the plant, when we leave the fruit to dry it out, the plant itself leaves the seeds ready to plant again, so we can start another crop, and in that way we can keep producing this fruit and obtaining the material to do the fibers. An important part of the project was to analyze how to take care of the plant to obtain the fiber. So to do this, we made a little research about the plant, and we found that they needed to be in temperatures above 20 degrees. Also, for each plant, we are going to be collecting about 2 to 3 green fruits. That they're these pumpkin-like green fruits we're watching the images right here. They need a moderate water quantity. They have relatively fast growth, and they obviously need a lot of sun. So we know when to recollect the fruit because of its color. This means, like, instead of being completely green, we we know when to recollect it because the fruit starts to become a little yellowish. So for the fiber, we need to put the fruit in a fresh and dry place. So when it starts to dry out, we can prevent unwanted conditions such as mold or organisms that could damage the integrity of the fiber, and so it could damage the product we want to obtain.